Do you know that chips powering your phone is AI enabled and are more powerful than some early supercomputers? AI is not just software, it is powered by hardware, and the heart of it are AI chips. Hi, I am Dr. Kirti Rawal, and today we are diving the brains into artificial intelligence, AI chips, how they accelerate machine learning. From facial recognition to self-driving cars and language models like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, artificial intelligence is transforming the world around us. But what powers all this intelligence? The secret lies in AI chips. So, AI chips are the powerful processors that built specifically for machine learning. But while software algorithms often get the spotlight, and there is an unsung hero working behind the scene, that is AI chips. These tiny pieces of hardware makes machine learning tasks easier, faster and scalable. In a world where AI models are becoming very complex and data hungry, traditional processors just can't handle them. So traditional processors are central processing units that act as a brain of a computer. But when it comes to vast amount of calculations needed for AI, CPUs are just too slow and consuming more power. That's where AI chip steps in to handle immense calculation needed for training and running machine learning models. There are various types of AI chips with unique strength and depending on the use case. For example, central processing unit CPUs, graphic processing units GPUs, tensor processing units TPUs, neural processing unit NPUs, FPGA field programmable graphic arrays, and ASIC application specific integrated circuit. So first one is CPU, which is central processing unit. It is like a brain of a computer. So these are general purpose processors that can handle everything, playing music, opening apps or browsing internet. But they are just too slow and cannot handle AI tasks very easily. Second is GPU, graphic processing units. So GPUs are first made for video games and graphic. They are super good in doing calculations at once, and they are good for training various AI models like deep learning. Third is tensor processing units TPUs. So Google made a special chip called TPU just for AI. So TPUs are used for big AI project when it is used with Google AI library called TensorFlow. Fourth is neural processing unit, which is NPU. Neural processing units are specially working on neural networks, the brain behind AI. It is used in smartphones for photo editing, face recognition, AI cameras. It is also used in tablets as well as smart home devices. For example, when you unlock your phone by just showing your image, NPU quickly compare your face with the saved image and your phone is unlocked in less than a second. Fifth one is field programmable gate arrays. Field programmable gate arrays are flexible chips that can be reprogrammed after programming. Sixth and last one is ASIC, application specific integrated circuits. These are custom made chips which are designed specifically for AI tasks. They are incredibly faster and doing AI tasks very efficiently. Next are the advantages of AI chips. There are many advantages of AI chips. First is faster speed. Second is low power consumption. Third, it is used in real-time processing. Fourth, privacy and security. Fifth, it helps in efficient devices by using smart features. Think big, dream big, transforming education, transforming India. Thank you.